guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Stage 2 Plus RS turbos for the N54 platform, which are manufactured by CTS Turbo. I've already opened the box, so let's have a look inside. So everything's out of the box. We have the turbos right here. They're still in the bag, but we're gonna open them up and have a closer look at them. The kit also comes with all the O-rings as well as the gaskets you would need. And yeah, that's about everything that comes in the package. We're gonna open up the turbos and have a closer look at them. So now that the turbos are out of their bags, we can have a better look at them. And just by looking at them, the finish on it looks very good. And the good thing about these sets is that they're all new units, so you don't have to supply CTS with your core and wait for them to send it back to you. If they do have this in stock, then you just place your order and they're going to be shipped out to you right away. The Stage 2 Plus turbos feature the GTX Gen 2s with the 11 blade billet compressor wheel and the 9 blade turbine wheel. They do also have an upgraded 2-inch compressor cover, which are going to require upgraded 2-inch inlets. For us, we're going to be running VRSF inlets as well as their outlets. And these turbos are bolt-on fitment, so you don't really got to worry about fitment at all. And they're going to be compatible with any downpipe and charge pipe you're running. I did test both turbos and the wastegate had minimal play in both. And if you're getting new turbos, obviously there should be no play, and both of these were solid. Just a side note, these turbos are built for the left-hand drive 235s for both rear-wheel drive and X-drive, but you may run them on your 135, 535, and the Z4 if the charge pipe and the rear turbo return coolant line is converted to a left-hand drive 235. As I showed you guys earlier, they do include the gaskets and O-rings that you may need, but unfortunately they don't include any of the hardware that you may need for installation. So if you do need them, you're going to have to purchase them separately. CTS Turbo says that these are good for 600 to 700 horsepower and that you really notice the power within the mid to high RPMs. Now, reaching those numbers is obviously possible, but you gotta keep in mind that it would obviously require significantly more upgrades. So if you're currently full bolt-ons running a 5-inch intercooler, downpipes, charge pipes, and intakes, you should look into upgrading your intercooler to 7.5. And these turbos do require 2-inch inlets, like I mentioned earlier. So I would also recommend upgrading your outlets as well. And if you haven't done much maintenance on your vehicle, it's highly recommended to upgrade your pressure fuel pumps to Stage 2 Plus, as well as your water pump as well. You should also look into port fuel injection or water meth, whichever one is more convenient for you. I recommend you guys to look into both of them, as they each have their own benefits, but it's just, whichever one that works best for you. So the parts in the car originally are not really meant to handle this much power, so I would really recommend you guys to upgrade your axles as well as suspension, and also looking into getting a limited slip differential, as it would really help you guys in the long term. This set will be going on the 335 IS with some other supporting mods, which I will also be unboxing very soon. Once everything arrives, I'm going to be showing you a full video on the whole setup as well as the whole process of the installation. If you guys have any questions and are interested in these turbos, we do have them available in our shop. I will leave the link down below along with our Instagram. And if you guys have any questions, you guys can reach us there. But this is about it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next one.